Hello everyone, welcome once again. Welcome to this channel, and today once again we will learn something related to this course, that is landscaping. So in the previous videos we have learned about the landscaping in other public transport places, right? Like transport places in the bus station, like bus station or airports, right? And we have even learned about the landscaping in the industrial places, industries or factories, that how landscaping is really important in this areas, right? And how landscaping in other public transport places, that is bus station or airports, it's important. How it is important, because those are that place where there it used to be so much crowded, like so many people used to be there, बहुत सारे लोग आते जाते रहते हैं वहाँ पर. So it's really needed for a very good, beautiful, healthy environment. So for that reason we need landscaping in the bus station and even in the airports and the railway station. And then we not only we discuss about this, but we even discuss about the landscaping industries. Industries also, it depends, because there are some industries like fruit processing industries. So इसमें ज़्यादा मतलब pollution नहीं होता है, it doesn't produce that much pollution. But the industries like steel industries, right? Steel industries and like which emits, like जो ज़्यादा मतलब इमिट करता है, या फिर डस्ट निकलता है, स्मोक निकलता है, जो हार्मफुल केमिकल निकलता है, राइट? सीमेंट इंडस्ट्री, so and even fertilizers. So the landscaping industries also, it's really important. And we have known some very important example of trees that help in controlling the pollution. कुछ कुछ मेंशन किया था हम लोगों ने ट्रीज़ के बारे में, कि कौन सा अच्छा है प्लांटेशन के लिए उस जगह में, इंडस्ट्रीज़ में, लाइक यूकलिप्टस एंड इवन ficus religiosa. Ficus religiosa is in Hindi we call it पीपल. Okay, पीपल का पेड़ है. So we have learned all this, and today we will learn about landscaping in universities. So being the center of the learning, the universities and even colleges, okay, it should be given a prime consideration, both from the point of view of planning the building and awakening aesthetic sense in the students. Previously हम लोगों ने सीखा था किसके बारे में, when it relate to the study, we were talking about the landscaping in schools, right? और कितना important है, बस बच्चों के लिए नहीं, लेकिन even teachers लोग के लिए भी, right? How we all said that we were discussing, and we all said that it is like a second home जो आपका स्कूल है. And it's very जो students है, they comes from different localities, different place, right? तो how much is important for you to do the plantation, to make the environment green by planting so many trees, and then lawns also should be there, gardens and all. So that's why. And we know it doesn't help only the बस students लोग को नहीं help करेगा, but it even help the teachers also. Like suppose if they have like they come to college and like they come to school, they come to school, and then they will be with all of you, all the students, and then they will be teaching, and then they will be so tired, then they can just go for a walk in the lawn or gardens, right, in the free period. So it's a bit similar with the landscaping in the university also, which is the like center of learning. Okay, and it should be given a very prime consideration, क्योंकि public places है, और like how we have discussed के लोग different localities से, communities से आते हैं. So and it is like crowded, like it will be very crowded place. So crowded place because so many students are there, so many students are going here there. So that's why it's really important. It should be a very prime consideration, consider करना है university area में, okay, university या फिर college area में. So for the planning, when you plan the building, जब building कंस्ट्रक्शन के पहले ही जब यूनिवर्सिटी कंस्ट्रक्ट करते हैं तो ये माइंड में रखना है कि किस जगह पे कैसे हम लोगों को लैंडस्केपिंग करना है, कैसे लाइक इन विच स्टाइल और डिज़ाइन वी शुड डू. Like you can see here in the slide also, I have just showed this picture. It's a university और इसके सामने में you can say that it's like a lawn, right? And from side of the lawn there are trees. So that's why it is really important of landscaping in the university. So let's discuss more further. Now in the university, when you do the landscape designing, so a decorated fountain in the center of a well-maintained lawn in front of the building will provide a place of refreshment. It will provide a place of what? Refreshment for the very student. Because see, university or school or colleges, especially university and colleges, after you finish your schooling करने के बाद you will go for further study in the university or colleges. Then obviously there will be so much of studies, so much of project, research, right? And then so many assignments and also and tests, just to what I'll say, like refreshing your mind. Like you can see here in the example, there is a fountain in between, right? There is a fountain and like how the water is flowing, and then in front of it there is a lawn. You can see the green color, that is the lawn. So and you can see the students sitting there, right? So it really help, especially for the very student या फिर जो थके हुए, मतलब ऑलरेडी बहुत काम करने के बाद या फिर प्रोजेक्ट या फिर प्रैक्टिकल करने के बाद बहुत थक जाते हैं. सो दे कैन गेट अ प्लेस ऑफ रिलैक्सेशन बाय सिटिंग हियर. एंड मोर ओवर द लॉन सराउंडिंग बाय अ लोजोनिया hedges, ये hedge का नाम है जो hedges है, right? And you, like in a lawn, you plan by a side with a Lawsonia hedges and a beautiful mixed border on one side with a nice edging will provide enough scope for aesthetic planning. So like it will provide a very good view. And then not only that, अगर वहाँ पर पेड़ है, right, and it doesn't help only the people like in taking oxygen. This is just a simple example जो मैं दे रही हूँ. It doesn't help only the people of taking oxygen and exhaling carbon dioxide, but it even provide a shelter, right? So that's why aesthetic, it's mentioned aesthetic planning, both for human being and like both for the for the plantation and for the animals, because birds, where they live in the tree, so it provides a shelter for them also, right? So the road and the pathway should be planted with the flowering and shade trees like Acacia auriculiformis. Like there will be some example I'll give you in the like next slide. I will show you the picture, okay? So that's why it's really important to do the plantation, not only the trees but the hedges, the borders with beautiful flowers. So that also, like especially if you can plant annuals, flowers, right? Jo seasonal, like in every season, right? You can do plantation, so of different colors. So that's why it is really important of landscaping in the universities. So I have mentioned that the road है और pathway है, like they should be planted with the flowering and shade trees. पिछले बार भी हम लोगों ने flowering trees के बारे में mention किया था, that it will be very beautiful if you do the plantation of the flowering trees, and even the shade trees like Acacia auriculiformis, and then Pogamia pinnata, Saraca indica, Cassia fistula, and the Lonix regia, etc. The plants with fragrant smell and medium height, such as how, like what is the example? The plants जो fragrance देता है, जो smell देता है, and जो medium height का है, like what, like Persian lilacs, and then Peltophorum and Lagerstromias. It should be planted with the edge and the edging of what, Justicia and Iris Zin. Okay, so like this it will be balanced, it will be in proportion, it will look simple and beautiful and natural and healthy. Okay, and even palms also, जो different species of palm trees है, or ferns, or even cactus in pots. Okay, put on the conspicuous and pots inside the building के अंदर आप ये सब मतलब रख सकते हैं, like जो pot plants है. You can see also in some example, like inside the university only, inside they used to put the pot of ferns, right? Ferns, have cactus, succulents, so it will enhance the beauty, or like it will look more beautiful. And even the beautiful climbers, okay, beautiful climbers brightening the exposed wall really produce a charming sequence. So even climbers also, when you plan the climbers also, it will look more beautiful, it will enhance more the beauty. So that's why it is really important. So next we're going to discuss about the main, that is the landscaping of educational institution. Okay, so large tree should be planted in the in the school compound. Okay, so large tree should be planted in the school compound. Like this is not only for the school, but even like I wrote here educational institute, so it even means for the colleges and for the university. And thick belt of shade tree bring down noise and cut down dust and storms. It also keep down severe heat and cold. The tree should not completely obstruct the view of the building from outside. So if you even plant a large tree, okay, in the school compound, so the thick belt of a shade tree, it bring down the noise. Like अगर noise pollution भी है, तो जो आपका like which is a thick tree, like उसका trunk thick है, and even its shade is thick, so it reduce the noise pollution, reduce करता है the noise pollution को और dust को, it reduce the dust and even the storms. अगर आंधी तूफान भी आए तो उसको मतलब it can control it. Okay, it can control it. It won't affect the colleges. Okay, and it also keep down severe heat. अगर बहुत ज़्यादा like heat है, like sun, what I'll say, summer season में, so it can even it can even control that by like providing shade, and even during the cold season also. And the tree should not completely obstruct. You have to check this also. अगर आप tree plantation करते हो, ठीक है, it is a large tree, but even if it's large, it shouldn't cover. Okay, like आप बाहर से देखते हो, you see the tree only. No, ऐसा नहीं है. You should trim it also. You should prune it nicely, that even the like it won't hide the college or the university. Okay, so the tree should not completely obstruct the view of the building from the outside. Okay, so trees like what, like eucalyptus species, Polyanthia longifolia, Cassia fistula, okay, etc. So, and there are some trees for border plan. अगर border plan करते हो, so ये trees plan करना है, and then in the borders of these trees, like you can plant the border plants. And the flowering trees like Callistemon, Lanceolatus and Bohemia variegata, and it should be planted along the road and path. जो road है university का या school का, उसमें आपको ये plantation करना है. Callistemon, Lanceolatus, okay, Latus. And then you have to check even the climbers also. Climbers like what? Bignonia venusta, Ficus repens and Bougainvillea. Okay, Bougainvillea तो बहुत common है. It's really common in so many colleges and university and schools also. So it can be made to climb on walls, pillars, or the building. And annuals should be avoided जो एनुअल फ्लावर्स है लाइक उसको थोड़ा अवॉइड करना है. लाइक इट शुड बी अवॉइडेड एज दे रिक्वायर गुड मेंटेनेंस. इसको बहुत अच्छे से मतलब इफ़ यू प्लान एनुअल्स यू हैव टू रियली मेंटेन इट एंड टेक केयर ऑफ इट. So this one you can skip it, you can avoid it also. लेकिन अगर there are people who can take care, so you can plan. And so this is about the plantation and all. Okay, plantation of what, of trees and thick trees, large trees and flowering trees and even the climbers. Okay, and lastly is about the playground. So playground can be laid out by what, by Bermuda grass. ये एक वैरायटी है ग्रास का जिसका नाम है बरमूडा ग्रास. एज इट कैन टॉलरेट, क्योंकि ये टॉलरेट कर पाता है. इट कैन टॉलरेट द स्ट्रेस एंड इट्स वेरी हार्डी. Okay, it's very hardy. Stress like what, like if people play so much also or anything, like it won't, because playground में आप इसको plan कर रहे हो, and so it can tolerate. Okay, it can tolerate, and then it won't like it won't get affected or it will die. No, but you should plan this in the playground. So playground can be laid out by Bermuda grass. Okay, as it can tolerate stress and it is very hardy है. And apart from this, a botanical garden may be established in the education institute. Okay, like botanical garden, like suppose if it's like educational institute, so obviously institute, so there will be so many courses, so many subjects, right? So you have to put even botanical garden. There is a must. It's a must in educational institute. It's a must to have a botanical garden for study purpose. Like suppose आपका practical हो गया, if you have practical or if you have like visit or anything or identification, तो उसके लिए आपको मतलब you need a botanical garden. Okay, for this for the study purpose. Okay, where plants may be arranged as a family wise. So you can arrange the plants in the family wise, and then the students can come and they can check and they can identify it. So all this is the importance of the landscaping of education institute. So we have to keep all this thing in mind. अगर हम construct करते हैं, if you want a landscape place, because obviously it's really important to have a landscape in the university, colleges, institute, schools. So for that reason, before building the building, okay, building build करने से पहले, university build करने से पहले, you have to have a proper design. Like here your building will be, यहाँ पर आपका building होगा, इसके सामने में लॉन होगा और लॉन के बीच में फाउंटेन होगा. एंड देन फ्रॉम दिस सराउंडिंग ऑफ द यूनिवर्सिटी बहुत सारे फ्लावरिंग ट्रीज होंगे, लाइक ट्रीज होंगे. एंड देन उसके नीचे लाइक देयर विल बी बॉर्डर्स एंड बॉर्डर प्लान, एच प्लान, राइट? सो ऑल दिस यू हैव टू कीप इन माइंड. Then only your institute, your college, it will be very, very beautiful. So for today till this much only.